Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you today? Good morning, have a nice day, good day. Everyone, welcome to my live channel. How are you? I hope everyone is okay. Okay guys, how are you today? So guys, this time I'm doing in Gate Launch Pool, MGO. Okay, today I have working MGO. MGO is a project. Git.io launch pool project MGO. Okay, so guys, we are starting our work. Uh, okay, Gatewell initially list Mango Networks MGO Spot Trading Stack Ethereum's MGO in launch pool to Aaron MGO Hurley. 23 date 6 month 2025 to 39 UTC time 303 30 38 30 38 view. Okay, gateway list Mango Network. Everyone, Alexan, good luck. Have you enter enough Savitlanals and tutorial 1993? Welcome everyone. Welcome join my live channel. How are you? Get well list Mango Networks Mango for sport trading at 9 no, 24 June 24 June 2025 9 UTC time. Okay, and to reward our users, you can stack Ethereum MGO in Mango Networks MGO launch pool to earn 64 billions MGO airdrop for free with reward distributed even every hour. Okay, and Mango Network MGO Sport Trading. Mango Network Mango Sport Trading trading start 24 June 2025 9 UTC and deposit MGO, then we look deposit MGO uh, chain deposit get code Queen MGO networks MGO and FAQ how it deposit, how to deposit withdraw on gate website and the deposit fund on gate to select the coins you want to deposit from the coins menu and select the specifies network change, then copy the deposit addresses or save the ORS code and withdraw fund from gate one login your gate account, click access funds management withdraw on chains and gateway. Number two, select the coins you want to withdraw in the coins menu. The choose withdraw blockchains for the as just enter the address you want to withdraw to and withdraw amount to the click withdraw note. The withdraw blockchains must be consist with the deposit blockchains you have select or the assets cannot be created and cannot be refunded. Lastly, input input your fund password and Google verifications code to confirm. the withdraw. After the withdraw, you can check the complete withdraw history at the bottom of the withdraw page. Okay. Frequency asked Frequency asked questions FAQ on deposit, how to view blockchain info, go recent deposit to access the deposit page, scroll down to locate the transactions orders and its corresponding TXID transaction hash D. Click the TXID to jump to the blockchains implore and view that transaction and TX transactions hash click on the TXID to jump to the blockchains explores and view that transactions. If the transactions lash into displays the recent deposit at you can copy the flash from the sending platform and paste it into the corresponding blockchain explores to check the transaction status. Example, checking GT deposit into on Ethereum blockchains. Number one, log in your Gate account, click trade in the navigations. Navigations bar, then select spot trading. On the coin intro page, click explores. Number two, on the explores page, copy and paste the hash transaction ID TXD into the search chart bar of view transactions details. Number three, on the transaction details page, you can view full block info. The contracts file displays the contract addresses. Okay, number three, on the transaction details page, you can view full back info. The contracts field displays the contracts addresses. And number four, alternative, on the on-chain deposit page, after selecting the coin and chain, scroll to the bottom of the addresses and what do if my deposit has arrived. If you are crypto deposit from another platform to work and arrivals in your Gate account, here are the most common results. To one, deposit placed due to insufficient block confirmations. Gate has different blockchains confirmations requirements for deposit of different coins before they are created. You can find the confirmations requirements at the bottom of the deposit page. Complete it on current formations show on the blockchains. Okay. Missing or wrong tag memo. Four coins like XRP is EOS etc tag memo is required along with the deposit address. My missing it will cause of failed credit. Number three, deposit made to temporarily spend it coin. If the coin's deposit service is suspended, any incoming transfers will not be proceed. Please wait presently until this functions. Okay. And wrong coins addresses change, and if you have deposit the wrong coin address, blockchains follow this step to resolve the issues. First, check it the deposit address is long belong to Gate platform. Then visit the token recovery page to see if the change you used is supported. If yes, you can apply of recovery. If tokens discovery does not support that chain, please submit token ticket for recovered. If our solutions becomes available, our customers support team will contact you through the tickets. Okay, everyone, welcome join my live channel. How are you today, everyone? Okay, trade MGO in USDT market via. This is a market via. Mango Network today price 0.01817 change percentage plus 0.01317 plus 27 4.00 percentage, and 1 minute candle average price on MGO 0.01 0.18 1857. Okay. And Mango Network MGO launch full stacking period to 23 June 2025 and 12 7 June 2025 at 12 UTC. Total stacking reward 16 164 billions MGO, and stacking to Iran no get MGO launchful. MGO Mango Network is a layer with one with a multi VM on chains in structure, primary addressing multiple pain points such as fragmented user experience and liquidity in Web3 applications, antivirus protocols. It integrated the course advantages of more OP OP stack and ZK rollup, uh, 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 building an efficient blockchain network. Building in efficient blockchains networks that support cross-chain communications and multi-vendor machines interoperability. Both support move and EVM and SVM support, providing developers and users with secure uh, modular and high performance Web3 structures. Everyone, welcome to my live channel, Kayo Dao and Gate user Dadash 25 and many other members. Welcome to my live channel. Official website. And X Twitter white paper FAQ MGO pool Ethereum MAPO. Okay, total stacking reward 84 billions MGO and participants 784 and total token stacked MGO price pool hourly cap 25,000 MGO. And mining period 14 days and individual hourly reward cap 2500 MGO. Total stacked 12 989 646.72 MGO APR to 2321.46%. Okay, and MG my stacking, my reward stack trade MGO no. And unlocking rule 100% unlock gate launch pool uh, allows user get launch pool allows user to stack yearly. You can stake your assets before the project officially launches, ensuring you start earning reward immediately once mining begins. Okay, and next, reward distribution. The system will distribute the tokens reward to users sport accounts. Every hour based on the proportions of assets stacked by each user's gate launch pool. FAQ. Gate launch pool FAQ updates on 6 11 2025 to 27 87 82 views and 10 like 12 8 12. Question number 1, what is gate What is Gate Launch Pool? Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where user can stack GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other stacking to earn only airdrop of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It is ultimate platform for closely capturing market opportunities. And question number two, how can I participate in Gate Launch Pool? First, log into your Gate account and navigate to the Gate Launch Pool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stack your assets. Check the participation guide. And question number three, which coin can I stack in Gate Launch Pool? The tokens eligible for participations will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Gate Launch Pool to view more details. And how many tokens will reward Holly stacking reward individual attached one horse valid stacking amounts total pool stacking amounts multiple Horley reward pool. The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each hoard and take the average stacking amount as the valid stacking amount. And question number five, how are reward distributed? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts wholly and token reward are distributed to eligible user. Wholly earning will be distributed into user spot account when will the stacked assets be redeemed after the user redeem in advance or the stacking is completed. The stack assets will be transferred to simple run by default. It is the option is unchecked. The stacking assets will be redeemed into spot assets if the amount of redeemed assets is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of simple errors. The assets will be automatically transferred to spot assets. If simple errand does not support the claim of the redeemed tokens, the assets will also be automatically transferred to spot assets. And question number seven, can I redeem my stacked assets at any time? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amount each hole and calculate the valid stacking amount. However, early redemptions may result in the loss of accurate reward. Please mention stable stacking amount to ensure mining reward. Blue Sky 66 welcome, hello, hi. uh, in addition, each stacking pool imposes a daily redemptions limit. Individual users can only withdraw up to 3 times day per pool. Please plan your redemptions carefully to maximize your reward and avoid any potential impact on your earning. And can I added additional stacking assets? You can increase your stacked assets at any time. The more tokens you stack, the greater your potential mining reward. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive stacking reward. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launch pool project going on at the same time, you can stack in different pool. uh, you will not be able to obtain reward from pool B. You can stack pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining reward of new tokens. And question number 10, what is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The hardly reward hard cap per users for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, for no further stacking reward will be guaranteed. Please refer to the review relevant announcement or the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. You will well stacking assessed in the gate launch pool impact my VIP level. No assets stacked in the gate launch pool will be included in the assets holding calculations for hodler. um, Hodler airdrop launchpad and VIP privilege. Question number 12. What will happens to my funds if the project is indeed early? In case of early ending, your stacking principles will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended, and your last interest will be distributed on the hour after the end time. The interest distributions before the ending will not be affected. About annual percentage rate APR, number one, when the reward come in the stack coins. APR total reward released in the last hot total stacked multiple 365 multiple 24 per multiple 100 percent. And when the reward coin is not the stack coins, APR total reward released in the last hot multiple closing price of the reward queen of the last hot total stacked multiple closing price of the stack queens of the last horse multiple 365 multiple 24 multiple 100 percent. The APR is an estimate and for reference only. The actual annualized return you final receive shall prevails. APR data is updated hourly. And next, how to participate: login, get account and complete identity verification, navigate to launch pool. Launch pool quick stacking errand, potential new tokens to 22.7 m started and 25.74 b funds released and funds raised 5.53 m participants and 5 in 98.3k estimated total reward. About launch pool, about Launchpool. What is Launchpool? Launchpool is a platform where users can stack their assets or provide for liquidity to earn provide in new project tokens. User can lock the specified tokens in the Launchpool pool to receive corresponding project tokens reward. Join Launchpool. And number two, question number two, how can I participate in Launchpool? First, log into your Gate account and navigate to the Launchpool page. And then choose the project you want to participate in and stack your assets. And number three, which coins can I stack in Launchpool? The The token eligibles for participations will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Launchpool to view more details. Question number 4: how many tokens will be rewards? Horley stacking rewards individual test or valid stacking amount, total pool stacking amounts, multiple Horley reward pool. System will take snapshots of individual stacking amounts each horde and take the average of the valid stacking amount. How are reward distributed? System will take snapshots of provided stacking amounts of distributed tokens reward to eligible user. Hourly earning will be distributed into user sport account. And number 6: when will the stacked assets be redeemed? After the user redeem in advance or the stacking is completed, the stacking assets will be transferred to simple errand by default. If the options is launched, the stacked assets will be redeemed into sport assets if the amount uh, however early redemption. Okay, question number 7: can I redeem my stack assets at any time? The system will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each hot and calculate the valid stacking amount. However, early redemptions may result in the loss of accurate reward. Please mention stable stacking amount to ensure mining reward. Can I edit additional stacking assets? You can increase your stacked assets. uh, uh, can edit additional stacking assets. You can increase your stack assets at any time. The more tokens you take, the greater your potential mining reward. However, once the reward cap in reached, uh, you will you will not longer receive stacking reward. uh, okay, and question number 9: can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launchpad projects going on the same time, you can stack in different pools of receive new tokens mining reward for multiple projects. Okay, and each stacking pool need to be stacked separately. If you only stack as a pool, you and will not be able to obtain reward from pool B. You can stack pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining reward. And question number 10: what is the maximum mining reward I can receive? Answers: the hourly reward hard cap for users for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further stacking reward will be granted. Okay, well, stacking assets in the launch pool impact my VIP level? No, as a stacked in Gate launch pool will be included in the assets holding blockchains for hodler airdrop launched and VIP privilege. Okay, guys, we have complete launch pool and hold at least 0.000 3 ethereums 1 mgo click stack. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसी हैं आप? क्रिप्टो कंग्रेजेश, वालेकुम सलाम। मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं ठीक हूँ। आप कैसे हैं भाई? exclusive stacking limit privilege for VIP users. VIP 5 and above user enjoy exclusive stacking limits when participating in launch pool with up to 500% stacking limit bonus. VIP levels and Ethereum pool maximum stacking amount per user. VIP 4 300 300 Ethereums, and VIP 5 for 450 Ethereum plus 50%. VIP 6 600. ओके ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। कोई बात नहीं, क्रिप्टो किंग रजिश, नो प्रॉब्लम। Okay, VIP 8 1020 Ethereum plus 240%. VIP 9 1 35 350, sorry, 1350 Ethereum plus 350%. And VIP 10 VIP 16 1800 Ethereum plus 500 Ethereum. Project information and okay, project information provide by the Mango Network MGO team. Please, Crypto King Rajesh, are you here? Please like and comments my post. Okay, okay, bhai. Provided by the Mango Network MGO team. Please follow the Mango Network's MGO website for more details. Okay, and introductions. Mango Network. Mango Network is a layer one with a multi VM chains and infrastructures, primarily addressing multiple pain points such. mm, okay, thank you so much. uh, addressing multiple pain points such as fragmented user experience and liquidity in Web3 applications and DeFi protocols. Okay, and it integrates the core advantages of Move, OP stack, and ZK rollup. Building an efficient blockchains networks that support cross chains communications and virtual machines. Interoperability both sports move VM and EVM and SVM, providing developers and users with secure modelers and performance Web3 structures. Okay, and next token name Mango Networks and token symbols MGO and max supply 10 billions and tokens type mined and token ID and A. Okay, and token distributions and unlocking rules and fundrise sale 15%. ओके, क्रिप्टो किंग रजिश, मेरे पास टाइम बहुत वो होता है, मैं बिज़ी रहती हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा। मुझे अगर टाइम मिला तो मैं ज़रूर आपकी लाइव स्ट्रीम ज्वाइन करूँगी, इंशाल्लाह ज़रूर। And next 10% अनलॉक्ड एट आप मुझे टाइम बता दें भाई। 10% unlocked at TGE Cliff 6-month liners monthly release LMR 10 or 36 months with 110 or 136 unlocked each month. And team 15% and after आप अपना लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग का टाइम मुझे बता दें। After TGE locked for 1 year, followed by liner quarterly unlocked over 48 months with 116 unlock each quarter. Advisor 3% and 10% unlocked at TGE clipped 6 month liner monthly release LMR 36 months with 136 unlocked each month, and foundations 20% and 20% unlocked. ओके ओके, मैं कोशिश करूँगी आपकी लाइव स्ट्रीम ज्वाइन करने की। ओके भाई। 20% unlocked at TGE with the remaining operations unlocked in stages according to the proposal. Applications over a total period of 48 months, and airdrop testnet, sorry, airdrop testnet 5% and unlocked at TGE, and ecosystem 70% and 30% unlocked at TGE with the remaining operations unlocked in stages according to the proposal. Applications over a total period of 48 months. Airdrop minus 5%, and after TGE, the specifies release amount will be determined based on the minute airdrop events, and validator staking 20% and stacking from Q2 2025. The specifies release amount will be determined based on the actual node stacking and other stacking reward. Okay, and next our discussion website. MGO, Mango website. Okay, Mango network, multi VM, chain and structures network, secure, modular, high performance, multi VVM, dominant chains, and start building. 380 ms transactions finality 297 for 50 tps order per second, and Mango omni chains offer ultimate advantages, explores unpredicted freedom in the web3 world. On chain base get native experience on any chain, and okay, aggregate liquidity, maximize liquidity, efficiency, and trusted cross chains seamlessly connect to others decentralized assets through the Mango cross chain protocol for secure and reliable services. Composability and interoperability, non rebasing access with composables and use cases with the DeFi ecosystems. Okay, and uses the safest, must efficient, and variables across chains interoperability path with well saving handing fee. Mango new chain wide tractor infrastructures and transfers in, transfer out, cross chains and validator officers, multi signature verifications, validator 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 validators and verification passed, code minting, contract costing and verification pass, tokens boarding, black hole casting. Okay, and transfer in. Multi VM omni-chains infrastructures network integrates the cross advantages of OPS stack and move language, support both EVM and move VM. Multi VM chains and structure infrastructures network layer EVM, Ethereum mainnet, volatile block hash, instructions submit fault proofs and get save transactions and blocks, submit deposit and submit bed chains and observations, challengers, nodes and submit transactions, query data user, P2P, P2P real time updates, squarens and layer 2 EVM OP Mango. AVM VM call contracts, emit events, catch EVM event, pairs cats, execute parast call sequences and catch move VM events, price data, execute present call, layer 1 move VM Mango networks, move VM cross all contract emit events. Okay, and based on move powerful underlying code, underlying unvaried speed, uh, uni revealed space, DPoS, okay, consensus modelers, batch parallel, multi multi-threads comes with extensible features and safety first. Smart contracts tax innovations is just object transfer, formal validations to test and prove contract reliability. Okay, and user centric code, open source community autonomy, secures secure project at or 10 chains wide applications, convent cross chains, breeds operation. Powered by Move, secures, modelers, and high performance Web3 infrastructures for developers and users in valid speed with its 297.450 TPS per second and low gas cost. Um, Network activities, TPS 60K and PK 30-day TPS to 97.45K TPS and reference gas price 1.00 CE the cell and total package 10.12K and objects 30.76 and approach 26 stand 1.20 am 2 day 10:45 left, and account transactions block. Mango modelers, blockchains, authentic modelers, execution sentiment, concerns, data available, education, settlement, consensus, data availability, sovereign guarantee, deposit using other layers. The Mango modelers blockchains can be the sovereigns as layers 1. This allows the blockchains to respond to hack and push upgrades without any underlying permissions. In essence, sovereigns blockchains retains the ability of social consensus to make critical decisions, which is one of the most important aspect of blockchains as a social coordinations mechanism, and launches new blockchains efficiency and cost effectively scalability. Join Mango talk, join the forum to discuss, like, and cooperate on all things Mango. Explores, discovers live projects in the Mango systems, divide into projects and stay current. Check out the long and stay up to data with the latest new from Mango network. Get the latest scope and start building. Mango Networks. This website provide Mango Networks introductions to RPC and SCL1 and other related documents. Built for Web3, Mango aims to be the most accessible smart contracts platform up up improving developers to create great user experiences. Web3 to user in the next billions user. Mango powers developers with various token tools to take advantages of the powers of the Mango blockchains. The Mango developers kit SDK will enable developers to build without boundaries. Scalability, Mango scale horizontally to meet the demand of applications. Network capacity grown in proportions to the increase in Mango validators processing powers by powered by adding workers, resulting in low gas fee even during high network traffic. This scalability characteristic in sharp contrasts to other blockchains with regions bottlenecks. On-chain assist, rich on-chain assist enables new applications and economics based on utility without relying slowly on artificial security. Developers can implement dynamic NFT and that you can upgrade, bundle, and group in an application specifies manner, such as um, this. This capability delivers stronger in-game economics as NFT behavior gets fully reflected on chain, making NFT more valuable in delivering more engaging feedback lock. And next, white paper. हाँ, Mango network, multi VM on chains, infrastructures, networks, abstract and advantages of move serious public chain. And number one, Web 3.0 public chain leader move, and number 1.1 move, emergency background, 1.3 characteristics of move language. Mango programming as first class resources. uh, 1.3.3 verifiability and ensure its security through static call virtual mechanisms, sandbox etc. 1.3.4 flexibility. And number 2, Mango 1.3.5 contract composability, technical differences of Solidity vs move, and status up of move has 1.4 status QUO of move serious public chains. Mango 3.2 pure static language and formal verifications and distributed storage. And Mango programming modular resource oriented programming and guaranteed generous programming. Mango Mango Move core design concept. And Mango V type systems, V Mango Move. And type safety, resource safety. And 5.3 quad safety and struct in invariant Mango formalized verification systems. And abroad conditions, functions or specifications. Mango VV, Mango modular blockchains, and monothetic blockchain, monolithic modelers. And advantages: Mango modular blockchains, Mango networks, multi VM on chains and structures network. Okay. And last notes. Mango project last notes. Gate Launch Pool is a number one. Notes number one. Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where users can stack GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn early airdrop of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It is the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Okay, and notes number two, please complete identity verifications before participating in launch pool to enhance the security of your account and assets. And notes number three, um, please adhere to the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited, and occurrence of any dishonesty will result in the disqualifications of the reward. And next question number 4, where any discrepancy arises between the transactions versions and the original English versions, the English version shall privilege. And 5, notes number 5, gate reserves all right to the final explanations. And 6, note 6, this event is not affiliated with Apple Inc. And 7, users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services, including the participations in the events, game, or competitions. See the user agreement for further detail on restricted locations. And Get Lab investment disclosures. Get Labs did not invest in Mango Networks MGO. Risk warning. And the last risk warning, risk warning number 1, the project team does not guarantee that tokens price will not be lower than its initial sale price. Please visit with quotations, and does and do not and do not don't invest by want your financial capacity. And risk warning number 2, the crypto project is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operations and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to insignificant risk. And notice risk warning number 3, advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risk of crypto assist investment. And warning number 3, warning number 4, the market volatility is high, and the price of a token might factors drastically due to technicals, regulatory, and marketing factor. And the warning number 5, user may not be able to withdraw all the purchased tokens due to technical issues of the project or gate. Okay, Gate team, 23 June 2025, Gateway to Crypto, trade over 3600 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate, and take action now. Sign up and claim up to 10 thousands in welcome rewards. Invite friends and earn 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Gate official website. Download the Gate app desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to gain more bonus, and join our Telegram community to discuss trading topic. Visit our official websites, download desktop, X Twitter, Telegram community, and engage with our global community. And the last test, insight, transparency, security. Check our 100% proof of resources. Okay guys, I have completed the project. So guys, okay guys, Allah Hafiz, and take care everyone.